I've always been searching for ultimately what I understand is peace and serenity. And this system has helped me to find that peace. It's helped me to quiet the voices and quiet the confusion. This system has also helped me to trust that I'm not alone in this world and in this universe, to trust that that God is actively involved in my life and actively supporting my life. And I've also found an amazing community as well of people that have been searching for the same thing, and people that are incredibly supportive, people that are very, very nurturing. And it's been an amazing and amazing journey. It's something that I'm very excited about, and I haven't been excited about anything for a long time. This is hope, and this is peace.